In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync blocks on Notion, empowering you to make the most of this versatile tool. Notion is incredibly popular for its customization and functionality, but one feature that often piques users' interest is the ability to sync blocks across different pages. This can save you time and effort and ensure consistency in your planning and documentation. So, let's dive into the process and make sure you have a seamless experience setting this up. To start, launch your Notion app or open it in your favorite web browser. If you haven't already, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to create a synced block. This is the block you want to appear elsewhere or requires regular updates that should reflect across multiple pages. Once you're there, identify the block that will become syncable. It could be a text, a list, a table, or any other block type that best fits your needs. Hover your mouse over this block until you see a 6-dot icon on the left side. Click on this icon. You'll notice a small menu appearing. From this menu, select Turn Into and then choose Synced Block. At this point, the block will get a red border, indicating that it's now a synced block. You should see a prompt that reads, "Copy and paste this synced block to another page to keep it in sync." This step is crucial because it unlocks the power of updating content seamlessly across different locations. So, we'll follow that prompt and move to the next step. Copy this synced block by using your preferred method, whether that's with a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl or Command-C or by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Now, head over to the page where you'd like this synced block to appear. Position your cursor at the desired spot and paste the block. If done correctly, this block will appear with a similar red border, indicating its synced status. Whenever you update, edit, or modify the content in any one of these synced blocks, these changes will reflexively appear in every page where that synced block resides. This ensures everything stays consistent and up to date, no matter how many pages you're managing or how extensive your workspace becomes. A quick tip: if you ever want to stop syncing a block, you can select Remove Synced Block from that same menu. This will allow the blocks to operate independently once again. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered syncing blocks in Notion, a fantastic skill that boosts productivity by maintaining alignment across your documentation. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital organization tools. See you next time.